Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There are some students having confusion about the preparation process for product based companies placements. There are some confusions about what are the required skills, how to prepare. So you can also be like this guy XLR8 who is thinking about some product based companies, as you can see. So the problem students are facing, like sometimes they have fear that I am from tier 3 or I am not in NIT or IIT, I cannot achieve the product based companies, or sometimes there is a fear of branch like I am not in CS or IS. So the thing is, if you have the required skills, if you know how to code, if you know how to solve problems, then it will not matter at the end. So today we will discuss how to prepare for it. So first of all, the three things which will be required by you are, first of all, you need to have that confidence inside you that yes, I can do it. Okay, you have to believe in yourself, and after that start your preparation. In the preparation you should have the commitment to go into that company, and at last you must have the consistency, because this is the only thing which will bring out the result at the end. So let us go to what are the steps required for preparing for placements. So the first step to start your preparation is to study an object oriented programming language. Now there are many programming languages from which in your college life you can choose C++, Java or Python, and among that it will be better if you go with C++ or Java. Why? Because you will have better understanding how the machine works with C++ and Java. Because Python is very easy to learn, you will not be able to go into the depth how the machine is working. And of course, if you are planning to software developer roles, then I will personally recommend you to start with Java, because in most of the industries they use Java as their programming languages, and at the end you will have to learn it. Okay, so if you start with Java only, it will give you an extra edge in the interviews also. So this is my personal recommendation to you. Okay, once you complete your OOPS language, then the second step will be data structures and algorithm. Here it is not about going and studying each and every topic and doing like 100 or 200 questions on each and every topic, because the thing is, there are some specific questions which are asked in interviews. So you can either take any organized course or like that, so that you can prepare specific questions according to the interviews. Okay, after that there will be step 3, that you must have one project apart from the mini project you have done in your college. There should be an project which will give you extra edge in the interviews. It's okay if you don't have project also, but if you are aiming high, then it is always good to have something extra, something makes you stand out of the crowd. So your project can be on machine learning, it could be an app, you could have done some web development project, it could be on IoT or etc etc. So whatever project you do, it should be deployed somewhere. If you are making an app, it should be on Play Store. If you are making a website, it should be on the internet. So like this you can tell interviewer that this is the thing I had done. So these are like must steps. Okay, these are like must required things. If you have all these three things, then it is going to be very helpful to you. Okay. Now let us come to the step 4, CS fundamentals. Now these fundamentals are kind of optional for few students. If you are from circuit branch or mechanical or civil or like that, then it is not mandatory for you to have these, but it is always good if you can study them, because it will take around 1 more month. Apart from all these 3 steps, you can go through all these. At least you can study database management system, because it will help you through the backend part. Okay, so this is a branch dependent, but at least try to study DBMS. Okay, now let us come to step 5. These are like mixture. Okay, now apart from your required skills, it's okay, you have prepared for your language, you have good problem solving skills, you have done your project, you have a strong resume, right? Now the thing which will be required is the interviews. Okay, so first of all, as we all know that there will be a written test in the starting. Now to crack that written test, of course there will be some questions on aptitude or maybe puzzles or like that. So for that you can prepare from websites like GFG or InterviewBit. There you will find some aptitude questions. You can try 100, like around 100 questions on aptitude, around 30 to 50 questions on puzzles. After that, this is a very important step which you must follow. Some mock interviews you should give. Either you can contact your relatives who are working in IT, or you can contact your seniors, so like that, or you can mock interview to yourself also in sitting in front of the mirror. Okay, so this is the step which will help you to face the interviewer on the day it is coming. So let me give you a summary. Okay, first of all, start with the language, either C++ or Java. My personal recommendation will be Java. Okay, second step, build your problem solving skills. Apart from doing so many problems, okay, do specific problems. And third step will be have a good project. Step 4 will be CS fundamental. It can be optional for some of you, but it is always good to have something extra in your resume. And at last, step 5 will be practice some aptitude and puzzles questions. Okay, you can find them on GFG or interview bit. And at last, try some mock interviews. Okay, thank you guys. Start preparing and get the dream job you want to achieve.